When most people hear about turning $500 into $1 million, they immediately think it's some get-rich-quick scheme or crypto nonsense. But here's the shocking reality. This transformation happens automatically for anyone who understands this one mathematical principle that Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Now, I'm not talking about a one-time $500 investment that magically becomes $1 million overnight. What I'm about to show you is how $500 per month, invested consistently using the power of compound interest, mathematically guarantees you'll become a millionaire. Most people fail at building wealth not because they don't earn enough money, but because they don't understand the mathematics of money. They think wealth building is about finding the perfect stock or timing the market perfectly. But the real secret is much simpler and much more powerful. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact mathematics of how compound interest works, show you the real-world timeline for turning $500 monthly into $1 million, and give you the specific strategy to make this happen in your own life. Body point 1. The mathematics of miracles. Here's what most people don't understand about compound interest. It's not magic, it's mathematics. And the mathematics are more powerful than most people can imagine. Let me show you the actual numbers. If you invest $500 per month in the S&P 500, which has averaged 10% annual returns over the past 50 years, here's what happens. Year 10, 100, 2,422. Year 20, 379,684. Year 30, 1,130,244. That's right, $500 per month for 30 years creates over $1.1 million. But here's the mind-blowing part. You only contributed $180,000 of your own money. The other $950,000 came from compound interest. The reason this works is because of what I call the snowball effect. In year 1, you earn returns on $6,000. In year 10, you're earning returns on over $100,000. In year 20, you're earning returns on nearly $400,000. By year 30, your investments are generating over $100,000 per year in returns. That's more than most people's entire salary. And it's all passive income from money you invested decades earlier. A study by J.P. Morgan analyzed 140 years of market data and found that this principle has worked consistently through every economic crisis, world war, and market crash in modern history. The mathematics of compound interest are that reliable. Body point 2. Why time is your secret weapon. Now, let me show you why starting early is the most important decision you'll ever make with money. Meet Sarah and Mike. Sarah starts investing $500 per month at age 25. Mike waits until age 35 to start, but he invests $750 per month to catch up. Here's what happens by age 65. Sarah started at 25, $1,627,540. Mike started at 35, $1,142,579. Even though Mike invested $90,000 more of his own money, Sarah ends up with nearly $500,000 more. Those 10 extra years of compound growth were worth almost $500,000. But here's where it gets really crazy. If Sarah had started at age 20 instead of 25, she'd have $2.4 million by age 65. Those 5 extra years would be worth an additional $800,000. This is why Warren Buffett made 99% of his wealth after age 50, even though he started investing as a teenager. It wasn't because he got better at picking stocks. It was because compound interest had more time to work its magic. The mathematical truth is this. Every year you delay investing costs you exponentially more than the year before. The cost of waiting isn't just the money you didn't invest. It's all the compound growth that money would have generated. Body point 3. The 3 phases of wealth. Building understanding compound interest means understanding that wealth building happens in 3 distinct phases, and each phase feels completely different. Phase 1. The frustration phase. Years 1 to 10. This is where most people give up. You're investing $500 per month, but it feels like you're getting nowhere. After 2 years, you have maybe $13,000. After 5 years, you might have $40,000. It doesn't feel like you're building wealth. It feels like you're just saving money. But here's what's really happening. You're building the foundation. Every dollar you invest in this phase will be worth $16 to $20 by retirement. You're not just saving money. You're buying your future freedom. Phase 2. The acceleration phase. Years 11 to 20. This is where things start getting exciting. Your account balance begins growing faster than your contributions. You start seeing 10,000, 20,000, even 30,000 increases in a single good year. By year 15, your investments are generating $25,000 plus per year in returns. That's more than your annual contributions. Your money is finally working harder than you are. Phase 3. The explosion phase, years 21 to 30. This is where the magic happens. Your account balance starts growing by $50,000, $75,000, even $100,000 plus per year. Market gains that used to add hundreds to your account now add tens of thousands. In the final 5 years alone, your account will grow by more than you contributed in the first 15 years combined. This is the power of exponential growth in action. Body point 4. The strategy that makes it automatic. Now let me give you the exact strategy to make this 500 to 1 million transformation happen automatically. Step 1. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account on the same day you get paid. Treat this like a bill that must be paid. The moment you make it optional, you'll find excuses not to do it. Step 2. Use the right accounts. Max out your Roth IRA first. $6,500 per year. This grows tax-free forever. Then contribute to your 401k up to the company match. That's free money. Finally, use taxable investment accounts for anything above those limits. Step 3. Keep it simple. Invest in broad market index funds like the S&P 500. Don't try to pick individual stocks or time the market. The data shows that 90% of professional fund managers can't beat the market consistently, so don't try to outsmart it. Step 4. Never touch it. The biggest killer of compound interest is early withdrawal. Every dollar you take out costs you $16 to $20 in future wealth. Treat this money as if it doesn't exist until retirement. Body point 5. What this really means for your life. Let me paint a picture of what having $1 million actually means for your life and your family. At a 4% withdrawal rate, $1 million generates $40,000 per year in passive income forever. Combined with Social Security, that's enough for most people to maintain their lifestyle without ever working again. But here's the real power. Financial freedom isn't just about the money. It's about the choices it gives you. You can take risks in your career because you don't need the paycheck. You can help your children without sacrificing your own security. You can be generous with causes you care about. Most importantly, you can stop worrying about money. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck, the anxiety about unexpected expenses, the fear of not having enough for retirement. All of that disappears when you have $1 million working for you. And remember, this isn't just theory. Millions of Americans have used this exact strategy to build wealth. The only difference between them and everyone else is that they understood the mathematics and had the discipline to stick with it. Look, I know $500 per month might seem impossible if you're living paycheck to paycheck right now, but here's the truth. You don't have to start with $500. Start with $50 or $100 or whatever you can manage. The important thing is to start. The mathematics of compound interest work at any scale. $100 per month for 30 years still creates over $200,000. That's life-changing money for most people. The biggest mistake you can make is thinking you need to wait until you have more money to start. Every month you delay costs you thousands in future wealth. The best time to start was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich for sure. The mathematics guarantee that if you invest consistently in broad market index funds over 30 years, you will build substantial wealth. The only question is whether you'll have the discipline to stick with it. If you found this helpful, I've created a complete compound interest calculator that shows you exactly how much wealth you can build based on your specific situation. You can grab it free in the description below. It includes different scenarios for various monthly amounts and timelines. The power of compounding is the closest thing to magic in the financial world, but only if you give it time to work. These next 30 years are going to pass whether you invest or not. The question is, do you want to arrive at retirement with $1 million or with nothing but regrets? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into the specific index funds that can maximize your compound growth.